Ninad, it's been some time since you and I have been working together. Now, tell me what before you met me, right? Before you met me, what were some of the challenges that you're facing in your career?
Actually, I don't have a career clarity. So I was actually grappling in the dark, and that was a major problem. So I was not able to focus on HR activities also. And I actually got advice from some HR professionals. So some advised me to do a CS course. Some advised me to change your role to legal manager or some legal field actually. So that will be actually some different job profile. Some told that perhaps legal field can be more suitable to you as compared with the HR professor. So I was very much confused actually. I didn't understand what must be my next career move. So I was very in a confused mode, and I was not sure actually whether that HR career is suitable for me or not. So that's why I joined your course. And when firstly we had a one-to-one meeting. At that time I decided that definitely Sushant will definitely help me to give me a career clarity, because that was very much required for me at that time. And that's why I joined this course. That actually proved actually my decision was correct actually, because I got a very good career clarity, because you just carried out two psychometric tests. First is the ideal career test, second is that 16 personality test, and after that actually you got all the inputs from me, and that includes feedback from my relatives and friends also, that career, your interest, your value, so that 6-7 areas. So, and based on results of that psychometric test plus this our discussion plus that my interest, feedback from others, so that you just counseled me and you just showed me a right path. So that was amazing actually. That is outstanding really. So because I got a confidence actually at that time, and because
now clarity is what you got. Because first, right? So first thing that you got through this program is clarity, and then you were also able to create a vision for your career, right? 3-year vision. So can you tell us more about your 3-year vision? Where do you want to be 3 years from now? Can you throw some light on that?
Because at that time I was clear, because you just told me that actually due to your nature, actually HR profession is a perfectly suitable job for you, because you can understand the nature of other people. You are having good analytical skill, counseling and acting as a mediator. So that naturally comes to you. That you told me. Then I became 100% convinced that I am in a correct profession. So now I need to choose my small niche area actually. So that also you rightly advised me that even if you are having legal background or you are more inclined to legal field, no need to change the field at this point of time, because you told me that if you join CS course or if you join as a legal manager, that will be completely different field. So instead of that, you can focus in that labor industrial law, employee relation area in HR itself. So that was actually perfect correct advice actually for me. And so that lead to increase in my confidence, increase in a motivation level. So I think, and based on that, I attended all the sessions actually. But first, what I get most of your program is a career clarity, because actually that was
primary challenge.
I didn't have career clarity before.
So career clarity was your primary challenge, because you had multiple options in your mind. Now you have a single direction and you have focus, right? In terms of where you should be, what you should be doing next in your career.